Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your SOUNDCORE Sport X20. You have to start by opening the application and now click on your headphones here. Then go to Sound Effects and right here we have Custom EQ. Click on it and now by default it make only one preset, custom one, but you can create more of that. So just click at the plus, now name it, let's call it test, and done. Now you can make something good for you, let's say that's okay for me, and when you did it, you can just go back, and we have this preset here. Also, if you don't like it, you can click on this reset icon, and you will have it by default. So let's make it. Yes, and as you can see we have it by default. And also we can remove these presets if you don't like. So firstly, click at the another one, not at the what you just make, because you can't remove this preset what you used. So we need to use another one. Then click at this settings icon, and now we can remove it by click on this red icon. Delete, yes. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!